Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to download Forge, a simple voice chat mod, as well as Java if you need it. So we're going to start by opening up the first link in the description, and that should bring you to a page that looks like this. I'm opening it up in Firefox on Ubuntu, which is Linux. However, this should be relatively similar for all operating systems. So you're going to go to the first link in the description and click on the installer right in the middle. Once you select that, depending on your operating system, you should probably get a page that looks like this. Up in the top corner, you're going to wait a few seconds until it says skip and click on the skip. If you have Firefox, you're going to press Save File. If you have Chrome, it should download and show up in a little box down here in the bottom left corner of your screen. Otherwise, it'll show up here and you can open it. Now, if you have Java, you can go right ahead, click Open File, or click on the box at the bottom on Chrome. Otherwise, you can go to the second link in the description and download Java. This is going to be the same page regardless of your operating system, but as soon as you press Java Download, on Windows you will get a very simple dialog. However, on Linux, I need to select one of these four. And once again, I'm going to save this file. Now, while this downloads, we can go to the third link in the description, which is the Simple Voice Chat mod. It should bring you to a page like this, and you can click on the first download button up at the top. That should also download. Because it's coming off of curseforge.com, it's going to take 5 seconds, and then it will download. And again, I'm going to have to save this file because I'm using Firefox. And once again, that's going to pop up here. So now I've completed all 3 of these. Now we're going to open our file manager. It's called File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. You're going to open it up. It should look something similar to this. And you're going to go to your Downloads folder. This may be on the sidebar. Okay, so you're going to download Java. So for me, I actually did this already. But if you're on Windows, you can just click on this and it'll bring up a large dialog box in the center where you can just press install and follow the prompts. And on Mac, it should be a similar process. On Linux, I actually did it through the terminal using sudo apt install default JRE, but you likely will not have to do that. Now you can click on your Forge, right click, open with the OpenJDK Java 11 runtime. This may look slightly different for you. It may look like JRE and a bunch of numbers, more similar to this, or it may just say Java, but regardless, you're going to click on this. Okay, so once you've clicked on this, you should get a box that looks something like this. You should actually have Minecraft installed, so you shouldn't get this. Rather, you should get a directory. You do not need to change that directory. Make sure that you are selected on Install Client, and you're going to press OK. Presuming that that works for you, you should get a running list of downloads, and it will download the launcher. Next, you can move this voice chat. You can cut that from your downloads folder and move that into a different folder. Now, this is going to be different on every operating system, so you're going to want to pay attention, and I will put timestamps in the description for each different operating system. So for Linux, you're going to go to your home folder. In your home folder, you're going to show hidden if you haven't already, and then you're going to go into your user folder, into your .minecraft. In here, you should either have a folder called mods, all lowercase. If you do not have one, add one. And then you're going to paste your voice chat file into this folder. Once you've done this, you can open up your Minecraft launcher. The run should no longer say the default, but instead it should say Forge, and you can hit run and you're done. For Windows, you're going to go to your user folder, which has folders like desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, etc. And in this folder, you have a hidden folder called appdata. There should be a drop-down, if you right-click, with an option that says Show Hidden. If it's not here, you can go at the top, press View, and there should be a Show Hidden option here as well. Once you find that, you can click on your folder marked appdata. Inside that appdata folder, you will have a .minecraft folder. You can either create a all lowercase mods folder if you don't have it, mods. If you do have it, select it and paste your voice chat file in this folder. On macOS, this process is going to be just a little bit complicated. You're going to go to your Spotlight search, and you are going to open up the terminal application. So I'm going to go to my search here and search terminal. You're going to open up your terminal. It will look something like this, although yours will likely have a white background. Okay, so you're going to type in the following command: cd/library application support and Minecraft, and then you're going to hit enter, and then following that enter, it should not give you an error, but because I'm on macOS, it is giving me an error. And then you're going to type in open space dot and hit enter, and that should bring you to your folder. Inside your Minecraft folder, you can either make, or there should be a pre-existing folder called mods. You can click on it and paste your voice chat file in here. You can then open up your Minecraft launcher, and your Forge option should be there. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or ask me on Discord. And I'm looking forward to starting the server with you guys.